The gatekeeper to eternity. Accumulation of toxins in the body, excess potential, and unrealized intention reduces your energy levels. In order to free up energy reserves, you have to either let go of some of your potential intentions or stream them into reality. In order for the energy to work, you have to concentrate on the end goal. Concentration is not tension, it is focus. Teach yourself to think about what you are actually doing in the moment. Systematically focusing your attention on the target slide is essential. Stop justifying yourself. Stop trying to prove how important you are. Maintain the amalgam and follow the mere principles. To reduce the effect of polarization, you have to release the over-tightened spokes. Techniques for shaping your own reality include the target slide, visualizing the process, energy channels, the frame, the explosion wave, outer sphere, scenery reduction, target amalgam, focusing intention, and integration. The preferred approach for you personally should be the one you find works the best. Do everything in the way that feels most comfortable. Regular practice is the most important condition for success. You have to escape from the mirror. Once you have a foundation of knowledge, you can change the focus of your intention from receive to create. You do not have to come up with the ideas. Just recognize them when they hit you. Departing from your starting point, go with the alternatives flow. Claim your right to be right. Leave the crowd and deliver your verdict. Assert the right of the maker. I have taken this decision because I am the maker of my own reality.